What's up, guys? We're back. Just finished up another swap here, and probably one of my favorite builds we've ever done. This thing is so cool. It's all original. The paint's great. The interior is awesome. It's super cool to drive. It's nice and smooth. Let's check it out. So what we got here is a 6-liter LS-based engine. It's a LQ9, and we did a Summit Stage 1 high lift truck cam in this. So it's got a little bit of lump to it. Still drives great. Daily driver, makes decent power. It's a good, stock converter kind of cam, but thing runs great. We're using Trailblazer SS intake manifold and a Sniper 92mm throttle body. It's a returnless style rail. So we're using a Corvette regulator to regulate the fuel pressure. It's using all GM truck accessories, which fit nicely in here. We're using a set of Patriot headers that have been ceramic coated black that you can't see. Excel wires with the ceramic boots on them, and we adapted all of the AC to the factory AC stuff in the grill, heater box. We're using my favorite Terminator X Max to control our 4L65 transmission that's coupled to the factory transfer case, so we still have 4-wheel drive. Everything still works. Aluminum radiator that we built with Durell fans. It's using a little B&M cooler in the front for the trans. And this thing fits in here perfect. We have a custom set of mounts that we made for this, custom cross member to bolt everything up tranny-wise. We're using Dakota digital gauges like we always do. We're using a low-car shift bracket down there to adapt the factory column to the 4L65. And let's go inside and we can show you this thing. All right, so like I said, Dakota digital, looks factory, works great. We're using the expansion module to the Holley Terminator, also from Dakota Digital. Allows us to bring in basically all of the sensors from the Holley right to the gauge, so it minimizes wiring time. You can actually bring up air fuel ratio and a few other things right in your cluster. So if you want your air fuel, you could do boost, intake air temp, some pretty cool things that you can bring in right through the Holley. Other than that, this thing is pretty much stock on the inside. It's super clean. I'm sure everyone wants to hear what this Summit Stage 1 high lift cam sounds like. I got this thing fired up. We'll give you a little sound clip here, what it sounds like. She idles perfect. It's a perfect little cam for a stock vehicle. Runs great. Doesn't have a bunch of lope. Kind of stockish. This is to 2.5 in, 2.5 out Flowmaster FX muffler, which is basically a copy of a MagnaFlow muffler. It's a relatively inexpensive muffler, stainless steel. Sounds good. A little bit of drone, but nothing too crazy. Go ahead and get a little driving video. We've been asked to do some driving videos, so we'll go ahead and get this thing going here and take her down the road. All right, we'll get out here on the open road with this 1991 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. I was gonna call it Grand Cherokee. Right in time for rush hour, so this will probably be a super exciting video. But like I said, the thing runs and drives great, super smooth. It's all stock, so you know you can expect it to ride nice. But a little bit of drone, not too bad. Sounds great. A little bit of low bed idle, which is good. One thing I didn't mention before is we were using Dakota Digital cruise control. So we're still using a cable-driven throttle body. We're using a cable-driven cruise control. Allows us to activate cruise anytime we're over 35 miles an hour, I believe it is. Like I said, everything runs great. Runs kind of like a truck, right? I know you guys don't like it when I say, well, it's kind of like a truck, but it is. But no, it's super awesome. It's way quicker than the 360 that we took out of here. I'm sure the customer is really going to enjoy driving it. I know he drives it a lot back and forth, back when it had the old motor in it. So it should be quite the upgrade. Yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions on this particular swap or another one, make sure to check us out in the, or ask a question. Maybe not check it out, but ask us a question. We will definitely respond back to you. And we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff you're supposed to do, and we'll keep making these videos. And we'll be back with the next one. I think it's probably going to be Smokey and the Bandit LSX 454. Probably get that one done here next. We also have a Range Rover that we're doing, 6-liter, basically the same deal as this thing. So we'll be back with one of the two. But thanks for watching. See you on the next one.